So this time let's add all the natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 to infinity and find its value. So I guess you might be thinking that it is going to give a very large number, maybe infinite number, but actually it is equal to minus 1 by 12. So you are adding all the positive numbers and getting a negative number, and that to a fraction, that is 1/12. So what is the reason behind that? So let's find it out. So let's first of all give this a value s. So s equals to this infinite sum, and let's say s1, there is another sum, a group of numbers which are added, and that is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus, and it goes on. Let me clarify that this is an assumption. This is a mathematical assumption, a step which we are doing so that we can prove this sum, this equation, that when all the natural numbers are added, it is equal to minus 1 by 12. And this is a corresponding step that we are going to perform so that we can prove this. Okay, so this is as assumption we are taking. Okay, that is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, and what is going to be its value? So if we take 1, it is 1. If we take both the numbers, it is 0. If we take 3 numbers, it is again giving 1. So either it is going to be 1 or 0 if we just add all the numbers. So let's take the so-called average, that is 1 plus 0 by 2, that is equal to half. Okay, now again let's take s2, that is also the sum of few numbers, and it's a bit different than the previous one. Here we are going to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5, and it goes on. Now what will be the value for this? So we have to do a bit of maths here, not that tough. We will just multiply this s2 by 2. When we multiply this by 2, we are actually adding this whole term, the whole infinite series, by itself again. So let me write it like 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5, and it goes on, and add it again. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. Now you might be thinking why I shifted this here. Now let me clarify that when you are adding two infinite series, because this is totally infinite, there is no need for proper sequence that we have to write one below one. We are just adding it. Yes, so 2s2 is equal to 1 plus 0, 1, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, plus 3 minus 2, plus 1, and it will be minus 1, plus 1, and it goes on. So we found the value of this particular expression earlier, that is s1, and its value was equal to half. So 2s2 is equal to half, and s2 equals to 1 by 4. So we have proved that 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, and it goes on, is equal to half, and the value of s2, that is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5, and it goes on, is equal to 1 by 4. So using this we will prove what is the value of s, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and it goes on to infinity. So the main maths, or the main hocus pocus, just begins here. We will subtract s2 from s, that is s minus s2. So what is going to be the value? We will first write the value of s, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 minus s2, that is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5, There is nothing rocket science here. We are just simplifying the value. 1 negative of 1 equals to 0. Plus 2 minus minus 2 equals to plus 4. Plus 3 minus 3 equals to 0. Plus 4 minus minus 4 equals to plus 8. And it goes on to infinite series. We found the value of S2 earlier, that is 1 by 4. So S equals to 1 by 4 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 12 plus 0, and it goes on. I just shifted the minus S2 to the right hand side and minus changed to plus, and S2 is 1 by 4. S equals to, we keep 1 by 4 here. Now we are taking 4 common from here. Yes, so we take 4 common here and we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and it goes on, and almost we are there. 1 by 4 plus 4. Now you may recall that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to S. Yes, so we reached the final equation. S equals to 1 by 4 plus 4S. So we shift 4S to the left hand side and it becomes minus 3S. That is equal to 1 by 4. S equals to minus 1 by 12. And as I said, S equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus infinity is equal to minus 1 by 12. So what you are seeing here, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 infinite series when summed up gives you minus 1 by 12, is very much legit and proved by one of the greatest Indian mathematician, Srinivasan Ramanujan. He sent this formula along with his letter to Thomas Hardy in Trinity College, and along with his collaboration they formulated several groundbreaking theorems. And this equation which you are seeing here, that is infinite series when summed up gives you minus 1 by 12, is used to understand electrical quantum theories and another concept, that is behavior of black holes.